In this video I am going to introduce you to two components of the common rail system. The one on the left is the rail pressure sensor and the one on the right is the rail pressure regulating valve, the rail pressure sensor, the rail pressure sensor. On the left, it bears the reference 281.002497. While the rail pressure regulating valve bears the reference 0281.002738. The main symptoms when these parts fail, normally when the rail pressure sensor fails the car does not run at all. On the other hand, if the pressure regulating valve fails, the part on the right, the car does not go as it should because it has an opening system towards the return, there it throws fuel, then the valve takes care of that. Basically these are the problems that these sensors usually have. If we put them in a diagnostic machine it will normally tell which of the two parts fails. The two references that I have given them are valid for this vehicle, E46 320D. I hope this video will help you. Hello and greetings to all. Thank you very much.